Mission. Bolt's mission is to nurture the human spirit, one individual, one tea, and one at the area at a time. We are aiming to establish Bolt Tea as a premier provider of the finest tea in the country while maintaining our principle as we grow. We are expecting to expand Bolt Tea as we grow. To grow, we must meet the expectation of every customer. Customer is the most important component of every growing business. The satisfaction of our customers is an additional big credit to Bolt Teas. Mabuhay! I'm Guyagay Dominic, the leader of this restaurant. As a team leader, may responsible for the general presentation of the restaurant. I ensure that tables are set properly, that beverage and other workstations are in order and fully stocked, and that the plates, silverware, and glassware are fully presentable. A team leader may also be responsible for maintaining a wine rack, presenting check to a customer at the end of their meal, and addressing any complaint about the service of the food.
Hello, good day. This is Jervin. I am the General Manager of Bolt Tea. As a General Manager, it is my duty to manage day-to-day operation of the shop and to hire new staff if needed. It is also part of my job to motivate our staff to provide excellent customer services. My responsibility also includes scheduling shift for barista and wait staff, monitoring daily expenses and revenues, and ordering supplies like coffee, milk, and snack as needed. That's all. Thank you.
I'm George, a restaurant server who takes orders, answers questions about the menu and food sales, restaurants, food and drinks, takes payment, communicate orders with the kitchen staffs, sets customers, and helps with the customer service and cleaning.
Welcome to Bolt Tea. Hi, I'm Erica Gallardo, the barista who makes and serves beverages such as coffee and food, sandwich, pasta, muffins, or cookies. I package the coffee blends, make coffee and tea, explain menu items to the customer, clean and attempt to ensure that customers are comfortable and satisfied.